Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
Hello and welcome. Before we start, I just wanted to let you know that no AI, that is artificial intelligence, was ever used in the composition, production or recognition of any of the patterns, levels, analysis or on any related items on these my charts. This was all my own original work, as I think you deserve to have that. So with that, ICE Brent crude oil futures, a fourth bearish black crow and the reinforcement of the previous session's bearish black crow rather than what it would also look like yesterday, a possible indecisive spinning top pattern. Prices continue to work their way lower within the congestion between 68.33 to 72.29, which includes the almost immediately overhead rising green short medium moving average, currently at 69.01, and the gold long moving average, currently 71.16, and indeed pushed below and out of it, as well as below the mauve medium moving average, currently 67.98, and another pattern which I will detail with shortly. The fall finally ended at the July 2021 low at 67.43, which is the next support underneath that 68.33 to 72.29 congestion. Okay, so the move lower has now impacted the third of three significant patterns, and that is the showrunner for this market since last summer. The many times broken and many times repaired, and currently attempting to be repaired, dark blue April to July 2024 bearish shift pitchfork. So yesterday, prices pushed back below and interestingly closed back below the dark blue upper time, currently at 68.14. Now, as I said last week, and I quote, this is still an influential pattern despite the breaks both higher and lower, end of quote. The market's actions, especially around here, I suggest to watch carefully. Now, so far today, a slightly higher open and a reaction move back up through the dark blue upper tine, the mauve medium moving average, and just a little up into the 68.33 to 72.29 congestion, which we must now regard as an overhead resistance once again. Spot gold, a second consecutive, if slightly higher, indecisive spinning top yesterday. That was also a fourth bullish white soldier. Prices managed to close just over the extension to the broken lower bull channel line, currently at 33.79 of the late June to late July bull channel. Last week and this week's action so far can be summed up by the market being supported by the rising medium moving average below, which is currently at 32.84, and capped, well, sort of capped, by the broken lower bull channel line. Interestingly, it seems the green short medium moving average, currently at 33.44, only capped the market in the first part of last week, but it has shown some support, seems to be setting up for some sort of rectangle pattern. And some support is now on the way up from late last week and the first two days of this week. So overall, we are now setting up for this rectangle pattern that's from mid-April to date, between roughly the June low at 32.47 and the June high at 34.51. Though I'd rather wait and see what may come from all these developments. Now, so far today, well, a reactionary move back down, though not by much, just below the broken lower bull channel line and still within the previous day's session, previous day's range, but above the green short medium moving average at the moment.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.